Good morning and welcome to our next maths lesson. So, as always, we're going to start with our number of the day. Let's have a little look to see what it could be. Now, remembering yesterday's number of the day was 2. Another clue is we know that today's number of the day is smaller than 4. Say it if you know it. Show me on your fingers. Let's have a look. If you said 3, well done, give yourselves a pat on the back. So, like we do in class, can you take your magic pencil out and I'd like you to trace over the number 3. So we go around and around. Fantastic. Always, as we always do in class as well, do it on the ceiling, around, on the floor, around, maybe on your table, around, and pick something on yourself, maybe your forehead or your knee, around. Good job, everybody. What is inside today? Ooh, it is our 3 numicon. So let's double check that with our magic pencils as well. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. And Miss McKellar's colour coordinated today. It's almost as if she knew it would be the number 3. Okay, so I went on a walk this morning with Penny and I thought it was going to be the number 3 today. So I'm going to show you some pictures and I'd like you to pause the video and see how many 3s can you see in my pictures. You might be able to see the number 3 or you might be able to see the amount of 3. So pause the video when the pictures come on and discuss it with whoever is at home. Good work, everybody. I could see some really good discussion going on there. Now, those were my pictures. I would love it if you could send me some pictures and then the number of the day I can put into our videos. So, tomorrow's number of the day is going to be 4. Well done. And then what I'd really love some pictures of over the weekend is on Monday, because we're going to have Saturday, Sunday, and then it's going to be Monday. So our number of the day will be 5. If you get some really good pictures of the number 5, I would love to put them in our maths videos for Monday. So please send them to the reception Gmail account and then I can put them in our videos. Fantastic. Well, we have got the hungry caterpillar again and he needs our help. So let me explain what we're going to do next. Okay, the hungry caterpillar has actually just reminded me, before we go on to the next activity that we're going to do, I'm going to put up the answers for the activity that we did yesterday. So if you want to check the answers, you can pause the video and see what you've got right and see if there's anything that you need to correct. So here are the answers from yesterday. Pause the video and then you can check to see what you've got. Okay, brilliant work, everybody. I saw fantastic work. Amarachi and Billy, you sent in your work to me. I was really impressed with it. Please keep sending it into the reception Charles Dickens email. We love to see it and I'd love to put your work into the videos that I'm making. Okay, so we need to help this hungry caterpillar because, do you remember yesterday, Penny, she mixed up my number cards. She's gone and done something else today. Now, I know you all love playing with numicon in the classroom. I had the numicon all sorted out in the right order, and guess what she came and she did? You are right. She came along with her little chihuahua paw and she messed them all up. I had them all in the correct order. So starting with 10, what comes after 10? Absolutely right, 11. So I then had 11 next, and then going on throughout the number line in the correct order. But now, all my numicon, they're all mixed up. So do you think you can help me with this today? Oh, that'd be so helpful, thank you. So what we're going to do first, we're going to get our number brains warmed up, and then you're going to help me reorganise all of that numicon because it's all in a bit of a mess at home. Okay, starting from 1, we're going to go from 1 to 20. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Let's do it again together a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Fantastic. Now, Little Dorrit and Gargery, I know most of you are very, very happy and confident with your numbers from 1 to 10, okay? Most of you are very, very good with that. Parents and carers, siblings, whoever you're working with at home, if you're noticing that your child is still struggling with these numbers up to 10, can I suggest that you make a number line like this and you stick it somewhere in your home? So kitchen fridge is always very, very popular because you see it a lot of the time, or anywhere in the bathroom or somewhere in your bedroom, somewhere where you're going to see it a lot. And if you can, keep practicing those numbers if you're finding them tricky. That's what I'd like you to focus on, okay? Because today's lesson, we're actually going to be looking at these bigger numbers, okay? So the numbers from 10 to 20, all right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold this up. You're very good with your numbers up to 10. So we know that they're still there, but that is not the focus of this lesson. Okay, brilliant. So now we're just looking at these numbers today. So let's carry on with our counting to really warm up our brains. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Brilliant, a little bit faster. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Fantastic. Now, our friend the Hungry Caterpillar, he's very good at reciting his numbers, but what he really struggles with is he's not very good at matching the numeral to the amount, okay? Because these numbers, they represent an amount. And whilst he can say the numbers in order really well, he struggles a bit with matching the amount to the numeral. So I know you're working really hard, aren't you? Yeah, you are going to help us today as well. So he's going to help us, but you really need to help him because he finds it a bit tricky. Okay, so that's going to be our job today. Brilliant. Well, now that we know that, let's get cracking with organising all of my Numicon that have been mixed up by cheeky Miss Penny. So, the first Numicon that we have is this amount here. So, counting with our Hungry Caterpillar, off we go. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Say that number to me. Good job, it is 17. So out of these two numbers, can you point which is the correct numeral to match this amount? If you're pointing to this one, give yourselves a pat on the back. Brilliant, that is our first Numicon and numeral sorted out. Fantastic. Let me take this one back. Okay, on to the next one, and the next one I have is this one. Now, some of you might know this already. Say it if you think you know this amount. Okay, let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Good job, everyone. Brilliant counting. So, can you now point to the correct numeral? If you are pointing to this one, give yourselves a pat on the back. Fantastic. That is our next amount and numeral sorted out. Thank you so much for your help. And we'll take that number back because we haven't found that one yet. Okay, and on to the next one. Oh, okay. Some of you might know this one as well. Say it if you know it and we'll see if you're right. Okay, counting together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What's that final number? It is 18. Well done. So between these two numerals, point to the correct numeral. If you're pointing to this one, good job. Oh, doing such a good job of helping me sort out my amounts and my numerals. Well done, everybody. Okay, take this one back. Brilliant. Say it if you know it. Okay. Now, what we're going to do, we're not actually going to count this because it's the same every time, isn't it? Say what this numicon represents. It does, it represents 10. So you're going to put 10 in your head, good job. After 10 comes 11. So we're going to carry on counting from there. So everyone put 10 in your head, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good job. Some of you knew that straight away. Well done. Point to the correct numeral. If you're pointing to this one, you are right, that is 15. Another numeral and amount matched. Well done, everybody. Okay, let's take this one back. Here we go. Here's our next amount. What do you notice about this? Say it out loud. Absolutely. That represents a 10 and that represents a 10. If you know what a 10 and a 10 make together, say it now. Okay. If not, don't worry, we're going to do it together. So we're going to do our trick of putting 10 in your head. Good job. Next one's going to be 11. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Oh, help out the hungry caterpillar. Can you point to the numeral that represents 20? If you're pointing to this one, good job, you are helping our hungry caterpillar. Another numeral and amount sorted out together. Well done, everybody. Great work, everybody. Really impressed with how hard you've worked with your numbers. So, just a reminder, please keep looking out for our number of the day. Our number of the day is 3 today. If you see any numbers of the day for tomorrow or Monday, 5, please send them to me. That'd be really, really helpful. There is no written outcome for today. You've all worked incredibly hard today and really hard this week. We will have a written outcome tomorrow, so you don't have to do anything today. If you want to do something today, you don't have to, but if you want to, then my challenge to you is this. My challenge to you is, can you create your own number line, really focusing on your number formation? So let me take this out so that when you stop the video, you've got the number line in front of you and you can copy that if you want. Okay? But like I've said, you do not have to do that, but if you want to do something to do with maths, then maybe you could have a go at making your own number line. All right, Gargery and Little Dorrit, have a lovely, lovely day, and I cannot wait to see you tomorrow. So from me and the Hungry Caterpillar and Penny, who's in the background somewhere, probably thinking about how she's going to destroy my maths resources next. Have a lovely day. Talk to you later. Bye.